Ready to step up your summer game? You're in luck, because today we've got the ultimate summer glow-up tips for men. We'll cover wardrobe upgrades, grooming tricks, staying active, cool hairstyles, accessorizing, and staying confident. So, buckle up and get ready for a transformation that will make this summer your most stylish one yet. Upgrade your summer wardrobe. Say goodbye to old clothes and make room for fresh, stylish pieces. Invest in new clothes that reflect your personal style and boost your confidence. Opt for lightweight fabrics like linen or cotton to stay cool. Experiment with vibrant colors and patterns to add energy to your outfits. Embrace your personal style and have fun with your summer look. Grooming tips for a fresh look. Take care of your skin with a gentle cleanser and moisturizer. Maintain a well-groomed hairstyle and beard if applicable. Don't forget to wear sunscreen for skin protection. Pay attention to overall grooming, including nails and breath. Get fit and stay active. Incorporate physical activity into your routine, like going to the gym or playing sports. Focus on core exercises and target your arms and legs for a well-toned physique. Fuel your body with nutritious foods to support your fitness goals. Aim for a healthy and toned physique to boost your confidence. Beat the heat with cool hairstyles. Choose shorter haircuts or trendy fades to stay cool in the summer heat. Consider trying a buzz cut for a trendy and refreshing summer appeal. Embrace your natural hair texture and use styling products for a casual yet put-together look. Enhance your hairstyle with pomades or texturizing sprays for a cool vibe. Find a hairstyle that complements your face shape and reflects your personal style. Accessories to elevate your style. Choose sunglasses that protect your eyes and suit your face shape. Wear stylish hats for sun protection and added sophistication. Consider accessorizing with a classy and timeless watch. Select accessories that match your personal style and make a statement. Stay hydrated and stay confident. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Remember that hydration is essential for your physical and mental well-being, as well as maintaining healthy skin. Cultivate confidence by embracing your individuality and being proud of who you are. Rock your new summer look with pride and let your confidence shine through. You've got all the tips and tricks for an incredible summer glow-up. Upgrade your wardrobe, groom like a pro, stay active, and accessorize with flair. Confidence is the key ingredient to rock your new look. Believe in yourself and let your personality shine through. Whether you're hitting the beach, attending summer parties, or simply enjoying the sun, embrace your new summer glow-up with pride.